tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to cast on stitches using the single cast on method. This method is sometimes also known as the thumb cast on method. When starting a knitting project, you will be required to cast on a specific number of stitches onto your knitting needle. In my opinion, the single cast on method is one of the simplest ways to do this. So, if you are a beginner when it comes to knitting, then this may be an ideal method to start you off. Making a slip knot is the first step in casting on. So leaving the tail on the yarn, wrap the tail around your two fingers as I'm showing. With the remaining tail of wool, bring the base of it up through between the loop, which makes another small loop. Then, with one of your knitting needles, bring the tip of it through this loop, and then pull both ends of the wool, so that's the tail end, which is this one, and the ball end, which is this one, together, and remove your fingers to make a slip knot. The slip knot is the first stitch on your knitting needle. To cast on the rest of your stitches, hold the needle in your right hand along with the tail end of the yarn, ensuring that you always hold this yarn tight against the needle. With your left hand, hold the ball end of the yarn in the palm of your hand so that your thumb is free. Then wrap your thumb over the top of the wool and underneath, so you have a loop around your thumb. Then you're going to get the tip of the knitting needle and put it up through the loop, remove your thumb and pull the wool tight. So this creates a stitch on your knitting needle. So I'll just show you that again. Hold the wool in the palm of your hand, put your thumb over and under to create a loop around your thumb, put the tip of the needle up through the loop, remove your thumb and pull the wool tight. So you'll just carry this on until you have the desired number of stitches cast on your knitting needle. And that is how you do the single cast on method. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.